my batchmates, and to the faculty and staff of Southern Christian College. 4 years ago, I was denied the opportunity to walk wearing an academic regalia during senior high school graduation because of COVID-19. And you know that for sure. And I took it seriously. So I promised myself to march into walkway wearing a black toga in my college graduation, and this day witness the fulfillment of that promise. To the college president, Dr. Edwin Timbalaki, sir. The vice president for academic affairs, Dr. Jeremiah Cabana, to the dean of the College of Teacher Education, Dr. Maria Marcel Gubasa, to the board of trustees, to the esteemed deans of the various colleges, faculty and staff, proud parents, honored guests, and my fellow graduates, a vibrant evening to all of us. The moment I stepped foot in the gates of Southern Christian College, I knew that the journey ahead would not be easy. But there is one thing in my mind, and that is to survive. It took me immense courage to transfer from my previous school and enroll here at Southern Christian College to continue my senior high school dream. I brought not only my dreams and aspirations, but also the pressure and expectation of my school community. Completing my junior high school as class valedictorian with high honors brought me pride, but knowing that I would be transferring to another school brought me fear. The fear of not giving justice to the trust and confidence that Walden High School had given me. But thank God, after juggling my senior high school years, I consistently managed to be an academic award with high honors. After my senior high school, I decided to take a break from school